hawk came back. And you can hear the crow is not very happy about it. The fluffy butt hut. The last one in is a rotten egg. So here's my old plaque. Waddle on in for this little coop that I bought a couple years ago. So now I have a new plaque for my new coop. I know, Mr. Crow. He's like he's like telling that hawk off. Hawk off? Just hawk off. What do you think of that language, huh? You're safe, yep. Can't get in there. He can fly over you a few times, but he can't get in.
Hey, sweetie.
She does love you so much. Yeah, she just comes running to you now.
Yeah, she does.
She's like,
hey, that's my human.
Yeah. And, one assumes she doesn't mind being picked up or she wouldn't run to you.
One assumes not, since every time she comes to me, I pick her up.
Phoenix does not come to you.
Not even a little bit. Little chicken selfie. Is it time to get down?
Chicken selfie?
Do you need to be picked up now, Sweppy? Sweepy?
Sweppy?
Sweppy.
It's not the past tense of the her.
It's the past tense of this bird.
She's a current bird.
Is a current bird? Truck, truck, truck.
There they are.
Truck, truck, truck.
22 degrees this morning. And Miss Cloud here was just shivering constantly. And just miserable. So I went ahead and put one of the heat bulbs in this lamp. And it's not very low to the ground, but it's enough to give her heat. And that is what helped PK last year when she was doing her molt. Just to have a lamp on, when it was cold. And then she would stand under it and just warm up a bit. And then as it gets warmer in the day, I'll turn it off. But I was like, I can't just sit here and watch her. She's just like the whole time. I'm like, okay, I can fix this. See, she's like, I'm staying right here. All right, now I'm in the perfect spot. Oh, that's interesting. You gonna challenge her someday? Either. Apparently Phoenix wants the entire bench. He doesn't want anyone above her. Sleepy's trying to get in on the group activity here. She's not sure what's going on, but this looks like a really good party here. As long as everyone is preening, it's like there's a truce, No one attacks anyone. For the most part. But like Phoenix over there on the left, way over by the fence, if she came over here, she would disrupt it all because she's not preening. She's searching for something. Sweepy, I think you're getting bigger. Or you're just all puffed out. Are you finding anything? Oh, here comes Trinity. Gotta make sure Popcorn doesn't have the best spot. See how she took over her spot? Because that's what chickens do. You trying to get in there, Sweepy? I'm still waiting for an egg. You and Cleo. Hold them out. There she is. Look at her. Look at Miss Cloud. Oh, that was nice. Sweetie was right next to Miss Cloud and PK. Just not too sure about Phoenix. Sweetie, you blend in. I can hardly see you. You're like part of the tree. No, you're part of the tree. It is actually very quiet out here. Oh, here comes Trinity. She startled Sweetie. It's really quiet. I haven't heard an airplane, knock on wood, and I can barely hear the freeway. So maybe that's what's intriguing them so much. Like, we can hear everything. We can hear our feet in the leaves, and everything is so nice and calm. You know, on the days that are just chaotic, sometimes those are the really loud days. Well, here comes somebody to pick on Sweetie. You gonna pick on her, Starla? Luckily, she was able to escape behind that gate. Behind that. That was the door to the portable run. And now Starla is kicking leaves on top of PK. PK's like, what are you doing? This is my resting spot?